All right, we on? How, is everyone on? How is everybody doing tonight? Good, good, good. Nathan, you on? Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, let me start sharing my screen. We'll get right into it. All right, perfect. So we'll go over the broker quick. We'll call out a pair on the side over here, for example, Euro USD. Whatever pair you have selected, it'll show up right here in the middle. We will be looking for 4-minute entries. If not 4 minutes, we'll specify otherwise. When we call out a trade, we will say Euro USD, and at whatever price we want it, we will say these last 3 numbers. And whenever price reaches those 3 numbers, we will either take a call or a put. A call, we believe price is going to go up. A put, we believe price is going to go down from the price that we call it at. And if you do need to roll over, it is going to appear right here. If we are out of profit about halfway through, we will hit this button, and we'll talk about that if it is needed on the call.
Let's go. Vaughn, you here?
Yes, sir. Hello, everybody.
What do you guys like a EA buy down by like 250-ish?
You're on. I see what you're saying.
For sure.
Type that in the chat. All right, we'll go in for a Euro odd buy if it can get down to 250 or below for 4 minutes. Seen anything, Vaughn?
Oh, I'm looking. Nick, you got anything?
Not at the moment, but I'm looking as well.
Okay.
Euro odd might give us our entry here. It's coming down. At 286 now, but it's been moving pretty quick. The DXY doing. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna take GCAD down at 0.96 for a 4-minute call if it comes down there.
I like that. On an uptrend and everything.
If it comes down there, though. Is your call out close to your entry point, bro? Or is it a little
No,
ways
but
away?
I'm gonna share the analysis on it.
Okay. I'm at 122 right now on GCAD.
So on Euro Odd, what I'm looking at here is a 15-minute chart. It's used as both support and resistance multiple times here. We're hoping for another rejection and then a continuation to the upside, which I do see happening here. Hasn't been overbought. Usually on the RSI, it'll go until it does become overbought, especially on the higher time frames. So I do see this thing turning.
It's at 107 now. So since mine is close, I'll go ahead and share my screen and show my analysis real quick before it gets there. All right, where did it touch? It just touched 104. I wanted to come a little bit lower. This is my zone. I have my lower zone here. This market right now is in a slight bit of consolidation. It's not really breaking out just yet. It is in an overall uptrend, which is why I like the trade setup. So right now we're just waiting for the price to come a little bit lower. I just want to be a little picky tonight, as always, and just wait for the price to come into my sniper zone and take the shot. So right now we're just waiting. This is the trade setup that I like the most right now. Right now it's at 106. So let me get ready to take my entry.
Were you looking at it for? Come on.
4 minutes at 96.
Let's see.
It's at 108 right now. Let's see if we get it to come down a little bit. It may not. It might be a little acting funny tonight. It's Monday. So let's see if it gives it to us. How you looking on your entry, bro? Are you there yet?
No.
Okay. Yeah, this may not be coming back. Might have already left the building. As you can see, it turned green. So it touched the zone, but it didn't drop as much as I wanted it to. But again, I was trying to be as picky as possible, but you can see that it kind of sort of went to the moon. So we might have missed this call. It was a good analysis. I should have made that bigger because actually my line is at 101. I was looking at this wick right here, so I should have taken that at 100 actually. So we'll go ahead and look for something else, but I missed that setup. Definitely, it may come back while it's in this zone, so I'll keep looking at that.
How do you guys like the Euro CAD for a buy?
Euro CAD, where at, bro?
Down around like 930, 935.
Hold on. Yeah, that's a good zone. At 930 is where I have my market. What are you looking for, a call or put?
I was looking for a call.
All right.
Euro Odd kind of took off the other way already.
Euro CAD coming down a little bit. It's at 947 right now. It's coming down close to your entry. OddCAD is also kind of sort of setting up for a sale. Well, no, it was for a call. Hold on a second. Up at 849 for a call on OddCAD. But I'm gonna give us a few seconds. No, hold on a second. Let me make sure. Let me just double check something. It's on a slight uptrend right now. Make sure I like that. It may,
Euro.
yeah, it already bust through that. Yeah, that's why I say, hold on, let me double check something. So no, disregard that call. It already bust through that zone. So a little lower on that. And my next zone for that is 826. Do you see that?
Mhm.
Yep.
So maybe a little lower on this
Yeah,
pair.
826 is really, really solid.
Yeah, it would be better. So let's give this a little breathing room. So we got a little ways to go. So right now I just keep it moving, look for something better. If it comes there, I got the alarm set. Huh?
EuroCAD came down and tapped 939. I wanted it at 935, but that thing took off already.
Okay.
Do you guys like an 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 EJ buy at about 295, 300? Oh no, never mind. A little lower than that maybe. 290.
EJ 290.
Yeah. Yeah, EJ 290.
EJ 290. I like that.
This I grabbed 130 or 939. Should be deep.
All right, it's at 316 now.
EuroCAD?
Euro JPY.
Oh, gotcha.
Mhm.
Nick, what do you want to know?
290.
290.
Did you show your analysis on that?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So these two zones. So I mean, really, it could just come down to 300. That's a very strong support too, and just move up. Um, but I'm trying to get it a little pickier. I like 290 on it. Anywhere in the zone, if you can see all the wicks over here to my left. Both of these are super, super strong supports. So this is on the 15-minute as well. So if we even go down to the 5, we can see it a little clearer over here.
All right.
So now price has broken through and we're looking for a retest at that 290.
Okay. I think I like Euro NZD for a sale at 268.
Computer's lagging.
It's at 260 right now. Let me share my screen real quick.
What'd you say?
268. If your entry comes there, bro, let me know while we're checking out Euro NZD. So Euro NZD right here is my zone here.
I think EJ's there right now.
It is okay. If you want to go to that one, you can. I'll stop sharing.
Okay, yeah, let's get on in this Euro JPY for 4 minutes. I'm in at 284.
EJ 284. Oh, you got in 284. Oddcad set up as well. I was waiting on Oddcat to come down to 823 for a call. But we already Euro JPY. We'll wait on that. That was the alarm that you heard.
Their JPY is busted up. Anybody take that Eurocard early? Or if anybody cleared that? Um, you want to roll this?
Yeah, I got about 20 more seconds to decide. But if you are out of time, I would definitely roll it. We're not super far out of profits here.
It's a fake out.
I did just roll mine. Expired 22:36 now. About 6 minutes or so.
Vaughn, you seen anything?
Yeah, bro. I'm waiting for this pair to do what it do. Then I'll be looking for something else.
You rolled yours, dude?
Yeah, I did roll it.
Peter's frozen. Could be seeing a little push up here from EJ. Computer keeps freezing. Is your computer freezing?
I don't believe so.
Type your entries in the chat. We did roll, Cody. $278. Big green candle. Come on.
I know we're in the trade right now. I do like G Art for a sale up at 721. It just spiked up to 730 and dumped.
And profits on EJ.
Wow. GA would have been perfect. It just went to the earth.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna give EJ one more roll here.
You want it if it comes back up there, Vaughn?
I'm looking at GCAD now for a call. I'm just waiting. But GR up that level would be a good point, but I had to see what it does. Right now we got a red candle. It's down at 712 now. But it was definitely a good spot.
Profits on EJ.
Let's go.
Off EJ, but got GA.
EuroCAD is here, Nathan. Do you still like it?
No, I think it was the first move.
The
That's what
first
I
move?
wanted to catch.
Yeah, totally understand that. There's 6 red candles in a row.
And EJ is gonna be tight. If you rolling this again.
I had already rolled mine one more time, but if you didn't, you're in profits here with probably only about a minute or 2 left, if I got that right.
I did get a second roll. My expiry time is now 30 on the nose. 33.
I think I'll take another entry on Euro JPY down at 264 where it's at now.
I like that too.
It's right there on my fib right there setting up. So I kind of like this.
You wanted Vaughn?
Okay, I made a nice little move off that.
Vaughn, you taking EJ again?
I did down at 262.
See a big wick up here and a push up on the close. Come on.
We almost at the half hour too.
We're looking for buys on EJ.
I might roll mine to get it past the half hour. It's trying to come up. I'm in profit now. Let's see what happens.
It's like a textbook breaking reaches. See a big blue candle here.
It should bust up.
Looking at GU, but it just 58. I would have sold it. Hey, Vaughn,
Mm-hmm.
how you like it in EJ at like 230 if it did come down there?
I mean, if you like it, I mean, roll. I don't know what it's gonna do, my personal opinion, because it hasn't reversed back yet. So maybe at the half hour to kind of see what it does before I would, But if you think 230 is good, I mean, yeah, I would definitely, roll with it. But I would personally would like to see what it does at the half hour.
100%. I
Mm.
haven't filled the half hour, so I'm probably not gonna get the bag on this one.
All right, I like odd USD. It comes down to 503 for a 4-minute call. Are you still in the trade right now?
Yeah, but we can move on to it from it.
All right, I'll just show my analysis real quick. Okay, I'm looking at odd USD for a 4-minute call. This pair is in an uptrend overall, and I have the zone set up here. And as you see, price kind of respected this area quite a bit. So this is why I like it right here at this zone. A little bit lower. If it comes down to 505 or below, that would be where I would like to get in at on RUSD for a 4-minute call.
I like that. It could come down to the 470s too.
Mm-hmm.
I do see what you're saying. So prepare for a rollover on this. Hopefully we don't have to use it, but here JPY said, have a good day.
Euro JPY is moving the other way.
Okay, it said 505. I'm in on RUSD.
Where are you in, Vaughn? What was your entry?
Yeah, I'm about to show my screen now. I had to battle my
505.
Mac over here. Okay, I got in at 506. I thought I had 505. And this is for a 4-minute call on RUSD. Hopefully you guys were able to get in this pair with me, take this trade. Okay, so right now we're open green here, so we're just looking for this to continue to push up.
That's cool. Deep.
Nice.
So again, I like to trade off my zones. It works really well for me. And when I go with the trend, when I'm doing that, it also is a double bonus for that market to go that way. So we're just gonna wait and see what happens here. You want to share some, bro?
No.
That
Okay.
looks good.
How do you feel about a UJ buy
UJ,
at like 230,
you want to share that?
225? I mean,
I'll stop sharing so you can share if you want to share.
gotcha. Let me know your thoughts on it. This is what I'm looking at right here.
UJ for a call at 230. Oh,
I think
went away.
possibly might bust down to this lower zone right here. This is a longer resistance if you scroll out.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of see the double top there. Computer is lagging.
Yeah. I mean, if you like it, for sure, I'll rock with you at 230.
Only thing I don't like about it is it's in a pretty big downtrend.
Okay. If you in RUSD, well, in profit, I expire at 33.26 is my expiry time. I got about a minute and some change left. Right now, this thing is busting up, which is what we want to happen. Which what we want to happen. I'm sorry, I got a little tongue tied there. All right.
Oh, Euro odd came up to that zone again and tanked off of its zone or bond. What do you like that, EJ?
Hopefully, people already are clearing this trade. I got about 20 more seconds. Probably less than that now. I'm at like 10 seconds left. Let's see. If you guys took this trade all USD and you're clearing, put some ones in the chat for us. Let us know how you're doing.
UJ at 25.
I just cleared USD.
Good clears. Good stuff.
Not really seeing much else.
Say again.
But I'm not really seeing much else.
I see some stuff. Market is moving.
What you looking at?
Hold on a minute.
A lot of what I have is pretty far out yet. I feel like buys or sells on Euro odd.
I'm not looking at that yet. Give me 1 second, bro. I mean, it could be both, honestly. Just depends on where it hits at.
Yeah.
Hey, then the zero cat is closing in 3 seconds. You want to buy it? Do you like that? It's at your 9:30.
I'm gonna keep an eye on GJ, but I like GJ for a call. If it comes down to 219 or below, I like that for a 4-minute call. Got a little ways to work, but it may come down here in a minute.
Where'd you say?
219 or below for a call on GJ. Got a little ways to go, but I'm gonna keep looking. And I like EU for a call if it comes down to 079 on Euro USD. So it's working. It's almost there now. It's at 111. So this thing will be there before you know it.
Where'd you want it?
I'm about to put it in the chat right now. I like it at 0.79 or below on EU.
I see that.
It's at 90. You guys see anything else that you may like?
GU, if it can work its way down to 956.
EU is setting up. I'll go ahead and share my, well, it went back up. So I'll keep an eye on it. It's at 103. It was coming down that it kind of said, no, I'm gonna go the other way for a minute. I'll keep watching it. Because actually 97 is another possible entry, but I like the zone down at 76 better.
100%.
Yeah. So it may, you know, it already shot up from here, so we'll see if it comes back down lower. Yeah, it kind of went back the other way. All right, that's one we got to keep an eye on.
Yeah.
It didn't make the move I thought it was going to do. But if it comes down there, for sure, I'll take that. It's already in the chat, so if you guys happen to see it without us saying anything, let us know. And UCAD, huh?
So how's everyone doing so far?
I got another entry. I got a UCAD for a sale up at 278 or higher on UCAD. And I can share my screen on that while we're waiting for some setups to happen.
Man, my screen is completely frozen.
All right, so this is what I'm looking at, everybody. UCAD is in a downtrend here. And then this is my zone here. I'm waiting for it to hit this market. This my zone again here. And that level is up at 280. So 280, well, actually 279 or below or above is what I'm looking for on UCAD. And I will put that in the chat just in case you guys want to take that.
Where'd you want EU?
279. Huh?
Where'd you want EU?
EU is 079. So EU is what I have on EU, waiting for it to come down in this zone here. If you look to the left, price kept hitting this zone a couple times here, bounced right back off. So it's kind of in a little bit of a consolidation right now. So we're just waiting. So we're looking at a couple of pairs right now. EU and USD CAD. So we need some movement here so we can
Did you
get the
call
crowd
out
moving.
GCAD earlier?
Did I call out what, bro?
Did you call out a GCAD earlier?
I think I did, up at 0.96.
It's there right now.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I still like that. So 99. If it comes back down to 96, I'll take that. Let's see. Where we at? At the green arrow. Okay, I might be too late getting in it though. If anybody else took it, it's at 101 on my screen, so a little bit too high for me to get in there now. I want to chase the market. So let's see what happens.
Anybody
104.
catch that on GCAT?
Yeah, that would have been money if I had caught it earlier. 106. Yeah, that was a great setup. Yeah, that would have been money. Let me see what Euro USD is doing. 99. Euro USD is almost there. It's at 99. Let me see. Oh, wow.
GBP cat went to the moon for those that are in it.
Okay, Euro EU did not come down to where I wanted it at. It keeps coming on almost there. So you see, it's hitting these candles here up at about 99, 95. That's what it keeps hitting. So 95 probably would have been a okay entry. I just wanted a little lower at 79, but right now it's expecting 95. Let's see. Yeah, it's and then we got a little bit of ping pong action here. So definitely got to be careful. There goes my alert. Somebody alerted. Who was that? Yeah, GU. Wait a minute. That's my GU. Where we at? So GU is at 007. I think I wanted GU a little bit lower than that. Or did I call out GU? I didn't think I called out GU. I wrote it down though. So let me see. EU, where you at?
I called it out at 956.
You called out GU?
Yeah, 956.
No. I had looked at this up higher though. I got a zone here now at around 992 is where I wanted it at. It came down to 999.
The GCAT went to the moon.
Yeah, I hope somebody was able to take that because I missed it. That's how it happens sometimes. Yeah, GCAT is out of there.
How do you feel about a Euro GBP sell at like 965?
EG sell at 965.
Yep.
I don't have a line there, but I do see the resistance there at 965. I do see that.
I think we should call that out. If you drop a trend line on it too.
I mean, yeah, if you wanted to, go ahead before you lose it.
Yeah.
Because every time I want something, I always miss my own trades. But I'm going to take GJ. It's coming down to where I wanted it at. So I'm going to take GJ right here at 219, I think it is. Let me go see where it's at. I might miss this one too. Yeah. So I wanted that down at 219. So I'm looking for GJ to come down to 219 and below for a 4-minute call. So let's see.
Oh, Euro GBP hit while I was talking.
I thought you were calling it out.
I did. I was putting it in the chat.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I missed my GJ. Everything that I want, I'm missing, man. My goodness.
If Euro GBP comes back up to 965, I'm in. You taking a GJ buy?
Huh?
You taking a GJ buy?
No, sir. GJ call. Yeah, you did say buy. I'm sorry, man. GJ buy, yeah, at 219.
Okay.
I was writing while you were talking to me. All right, so if it comes back down there. Again, this is like already gone, man. It's like it's just going to the moon right now, so it may not be coming back right now. So it's like my setups, man, are like right in my face. Then I go look at something else and come back and it's gone, right? That's crazy. EU did not come down on my entry either. Everything is just gone. So let me see what else I got. And those would have been good setups too. But UCAD, let me put this out here before it's gone because I might want to take UCAD up at 279 or above. I think I did that already. UCAD, I think it's in the chat already. Let me just double check. Okay, now my chat don't want to show. Well, I'll
Euro
tell you.
GBP is there right now.
Huh?
Euro GBP is there right now.
All right, did you put it in the chat?
Yep.
Okay, I can't see the chat. Where'd you want it at?
965 or above for a sell.
965. It's at 970 right now. Okay. If you want to share your analysis for the people, I'll stop sharing my screen.
So what I'm seeing here is I have a long-term downtrend line that it's been respecting for a majority of the day here. And you scroll in here, you can see there's a resistance right here. All these candles rejected off this, and these came up and rejected back down. That's exactly what we're looking for here. So we got in 965 or above, should be good.
And also I like G-Odd at 661 for a call.
G-Odd.
Yeah. Let me see if it comes back down there. Yeah, G-Odd at 661. I'll put it in the chat just in case while we wait on this trade to clear.
Euro GBP is looking pretty good. I got about 60 seconds left on mine.
Sitting on my entry. The thing just tanked.
Is anyone about in the chat about to clear this Euro GBP?
Euro GBP is falling through the floor.
Good call out. Good call. Beautiful.
Vaughn, you in this one?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Keep dropping. Keep going. Let us know when you clear this.
Nice. I just cleared mine right there.
I just cleared mine.
I got 5 seconds left. All right, and that's a clear.
I think I'm 2-1 right now. How's everybody else doing?
I'm 1-1 personally. Euro JPY hasn't had a blue candle in like a half hour.
Oh. I say we ended there, Vaughn. Devin and Mason start in about 10
Yeah, we
minutes.
still got. Yeah, we can look for something else. We got 8 minutes left in our session, so we ain't got to end early. If we see something else cool, if we don't, then yeah, we end it then. But we got a good eight solid minutes left before we just say, hey, that's it.
Let's go. Let us know if you cleared the Euro GBP.
Yeah, GJ was almost there. The pair that I was waiting for, it's at 234 now. It came down to 220. Yeah, I was almost there, so should have got that. 228. Let me see what GJ gonna do.
Cleared Euro GBP. Had to roll once. Nice.
GJ is at 224. I'm gonna take GJ for a 4-minute call if it comes down to 219, what my mark was. It's at 223 now.
219, you said?
219, yeah. I'm trying to get to share my screen now before I miss it. If it comes down, it might get a spike down and this thing should go back to the moon. So it's at 227 right now. Okay, so again, I'll show this already, but this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for this. Okay, boom, it's there. 215, I'm in. So I got it at 215.
$214.
Hopefully you guys are able to get in this into this trade with me.
I'm in at 218.
You got it 218. What in the world? Okay.
Oh, EJ's first blue candle.
If you got in this trade, let me see where you got in at. I'm in at 215.
Sir. Everyone should be deep in profits regardless of where you got it down there. Let's go.
If they took the trade.
Mhm.
Let us know your entries in the chat.
If they got in.
215.
214. Okay.
Here we go.
Stuff.
All right, so that's good. That's good. Let's go. That's what we like to see.
Keep going, GJ. Not really seeing anything other than that.
Yeah, this probably be the last one. It's 8:56 now, so we got like 4 minutes left. I clear here shortly. I expire at 57:05, so that should take us to 9 o'clock. This last trade right here, unless you see something else at the buzzer, if they want to take it home with them.
Time do you clear this one, Bob?
Say again.
What time do you clear this one at?
In about 10 more seconds.
Come on, GJ.
Good stuff.
TrustYourTrade.com.
Yeah, get back up there.
Wow. Let's go.
There we go.
I hope nobody got.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, looks like I cleared. Hopefully everybody else cleared. If you cleared that trade, put some ones in the chat for that roller coaster at the end. But a clear is a clear. I'll take that all day. All right, so that's about it. You guys got anything else you want to add to the session here?
No, I personally, that was a good session. Hope everyone secured the bag.
Yes,
Pretty
sir.
well.
Yes, sir.
And we'll be back on Wednesday, everybody. Hope you guys have a good night. Take care. God bless.
Yes, sir. See you guys Wednesday, guys. Thank you.